Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello guys, Billy here. Welcome back to another video. On this very video I'll be unboxing the Tecno Camon 15. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please be kind and do so. Also leave a like button, it helps a lot. Without any further delay, let's go straight into the video. As soon as you open the box, you'll be greeted with this cardboard container here, which contains the silicone case here. Yeah, it looks good, soft, and some warranty card, and I think that's it. That's what's in the box. And then you'll be greeted with the smartphone itself. Wow, it looks awesome. Looks awesome. Look at the back. Peel off this leather here. Looks good, shiny. This device is made from plastic, and when you raise this, you get the charger here, the USB cable, and the charger adapter here. Yes, it's a 2-volt charger and headphones. That's it. That's all you get from the box. I like the design of this device. When I peel this leather off, you see the full potential of the device, the build quality and everything. It's plastic, but it looks so shiny. Kudos to Tecno. Here's a flashlight, and its cameras, that's a quad camera. The fingerprint scanner here. Some Tecno branding. On the bottom you see the charging port. That's a type A charging port. Microphone, speaker. On the side you get the power button and the volume rocker case. On the left you get a nano SIM card slot. Tecno Camon 15 is a direct successor of the Camon 12 launched back in 2019. This variant is also the smaller version of Camon 15 Pro. This unit comes with few downgrades from the Pro version, which includes the phone has a 6.6-inch HD Plus screen with 220 by 1600 pixel resolution and makes use of a punch hole display housing the front camera. The camera department is also same as its elder sibling, with a quad sensor at the back comprising of a 48 megapixel main sensor, a 5 megapixel ultra wide sensor, a 2 megapixel dedicated macro lens, and a 2 megapixel ultra night lens, along with the 4 LED flashes at the back. Now in the front there's a single 16 megapixel sensor capable of AI shots, along with a single LED flash, face beautification, and face ID. I did a camera test on this phone, and here's some of the pictures I got. Excitingly, there's a larger 5000 mAh battery juice on this phone, with about 1000 mAh battery larger than that of the Camon 15 Pro, and of course the latest Android 10 based on iOS version 6.0.1 out of the box. As you can see, it is very responsive to touch. It has this awesome dark theme mode here, which looks really good if you can see from here. I got this device for exactly 70,000 naira here in Nigeria.